If you are in a hurry to make that last gift for Christmas, today I have for you a very fast project. But before we start our tutorial, I want to thank you all for supporting my work and my channel. Have a Merry Christmas! Here we have our beautiful necklace that is made using double right angle weave units, attaching a beautiful teardrop that is top drilled, and then attaching the straps of the necklace in the beautiful modified herringbone stitch that I have shown you in a previous tutorial. We start with the first right angle weave, close with a knot, and now we double it by adding one seed bead in between the beads. So we add 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we step up by going through the first seed bead that we have added in this round. And now we pick up 1, 2, 3, and 4, connect with this one, go up the first one, and add 1, 2, and 3. Now we go to the next corner, pick up 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, go up the first one. I flip the work as I work because I find it easier, and we add 3 corners, 1, 2, and 3. And now we move our thread to this corner so we can create the next unit. So we pick up 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, closing the circle, go up the first one, now we pick up this corner which will be the connector, and then we need to add 1 corner and another corner. And now we create another column of 2, so we move the thread here and build 1 unit here and 1 unit here. So again, pick up 4, 3 and 4, go up the first bead in this circle, and then add 3 corners, 1, 2 and 3, and here we start our 6th right angle weave unit. Pick up 4, close the circle, move up through the next seed bead, and now we start placing the seed beads in between, and here on the 3rd one we connect with the previous one. Now we move the thread at the top of one of the middle ones, and we will attach our beautiful teardrop bead. We just follow the thread path. It is already there. And here we attach our bead that has a top drill. By picking up 3 seed beads, the bead, and again 3 seed beads. We go around this bead and go once more through the 3 bead and 3 seed beads. Now from this position of the needle here, we want to move the thread through the beads up to these ones. So we want to get here, in our case from here we want to get here and then here, because we want to start building up the straps of the necklace. now from these two beads on the side we will start building up our necklace, and with a herringbone, modified herringbone stitch. So we pick up 2 seed beads, go down, then the thread goes to the right and go up 2. And now we start our modified herringbone. So we pick up 3 seed beads, go down 2, up 3, pick up 2 seed beads, up 2, down 2, up 3, and we make sure that the bead, the second bead from the previous row, is caught in between and comes up like this. Now we continue a number of rows with the herringbone stitch. So go down 2, thread to the right, up 3. Pick up 2 seed beads, go down 1, up 2. And this is how we build up our necklace strap for the length we need. If you want to learn how to make this modified 2-bead herringbone stitch, you can watch the tutorial that is already published, and you can find it in the card above. Let's say that we want 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows of herringbone, plain, and after the 5th one we add the middle bead, 1, 2 and 3, go down 2, and we go down 2 here because we want to reinforce. This is the only reason. Now we stabilize, so pick up 2 seed beads, go down 2, up 3, and we make sure that the 3rd one comes out on top of the strap, exactly like the other bead. And here you can see it better. Okay. And we continue like this. Go down to up 3, and then we can go down only one and up two. So this is how we start our central piece for our necklace, how we start our necklace strap, and on the other side, using the tail, we attach another thread, and we are going to use these two beads as the base for our modified herringbone. The result will be this beautiful necklace. Very easy to make, especially if you are in a hurry for a gift. At the end, you just attach a closed ring by catching it in one of the sequences of 3. And the same ring, closed ring on the other side, and at the end you can attach the lobster clasp with a jump ring. I hope you like this technique. It's very easy and very efficient, fast to make, and with a beautiful result as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing. See you with our next tutorial. Ciao, ciao.